Oh, that's a relief. I thought maybe I had a fever, but oh, my buns! There's a sharp pain in my buns!
Can you lay on your stomach?
I'll try.
What is this, a hamburger?
A what?
Why are there hamburgers in your underwear?
Are you serious? How could there be... Oh my God! You're saying I have ASSBURGERS?
I don't know how I feel about this lens. I think maybe it's an improvement, but I think it's supposed to be for photography, not recording videos. Anyway, I guess we'll see while I'm editing it. If everything is blurry, then I know I did a terrible job. Today, we're doing ASSBURGERS from South Park. That's right, ASSBURGERS.
Wait, there's a disease called ASSBURGERS?
According to Wikipedia, we will need Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, Burger King, KFC, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, City Walk, Chinese food's gonna have to do, and Subway. I think we will have to go to Chick-fil-A first. I don't know what time Chick-fil-A closes. I'm just gonna try to hit everything up. Everything. Because it's getting late.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
All right, how you doing?
I'm doing alright. How would you make ASSBURGERS?
I don't know. I guess you need ass first.
What? Okay, but I mean, like, how would you infuse? It's a bunch of different, like, fast food places like Taco Bell, Burger King, KFC, Chick-fil-A, Subway.
Oh, God.
Like infusing all of those.
Just chop up all of that meat and make a burger out of it?
No, we gotta make a burger out of like fresh meat, but we gotta like steam it or infuse it somehow. Infuse all those flavors into. I think steaming it is the best way to go. Like making it into a mash and then like.
Steaming what flavors?
Like taking all those different foods, making it into a mash, and then like steaming it. Like how you would like make like ribs or something.
Yeah, but you want to use fresh meat, and Taco Bell and McDonald's and Burger King doesn't use fresh meat. It's all shit.
It's the chemical compounds of all our flavors. Pizza Hut, Burger King, KFC, all somehow infused into one burger.
It's as if he's somehow taking all the ingredients of our food, breaking them down into some kind of gas, and then somehow infusing that gas into his hamburger. What kind of instrument could he be using to do this? It would have to be some kind of super Dutch oven.
But a Dutch oven with greater technology than we've ever seen.
So basically his farts and his butt sweat are flavoring these burgers.
Maybe shit on it.
No, I'm not doing that to the burgers. That's not very sanitary. Cause like, I mean, I can eat all the food and then fart on the burgers, but I'm trying to make it accurate to the show.
I'm thinking all common and South Park thing. So maybe if it was deep fried.
But nothing is not a fried burger! We're making a hamburger. Okay, let's start over. We're making a hamburger. The hamburger has to taste like all of the different fast food options rolled into one.
I don't think you can possibly do that.
Well, we will find a way to make it work.
Chick-fil-A, go have your order whenever you're ready. Have a great day.
You too. We got Subway. We still have to hit up. We got Pizza Hut, but we have to come back for the order. We still have to hit up. I think Chinese food is the best option to go to next. Might take some time for them to Chineseify it. This is like the most legit McDonald's. Look at this. I want you guys to see this McDonald's. Look at this McDonald's. Holy hell. Holy hell.
Welcome to McDonald's. Would you like to try our new body meal crispy tenders? Go ahead with the order whenever you're ready. Big Mac and McDouble, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. You too. She got the Big Mac sauce too, and she was smiling like she was happy. I like them happy McDonald's smiles. Oh, I see. It wasn't even on the street it said it was. still Burger King. But this is why McDonald's is winning, Burger King. This is why McDonald's is winning. Thank you. Have a good day. This Pizza Hut thing, it's dark now, yeah. This Pizza Hut thing is a fiasco. First Pizza Hut that we went to, paid, didn't get the pizza. Second Pizza Hut, it doesn't have a phone number. Apparently, like, it doesn't have a location or a phone number, but it is a Pizza Hut. I think it's in a hotel. That's why I can't find it. But it exists, apparently. I don't even know what's going on. Third Pizza Hut, tried calling them. We're going there now. I tried calling them, went to a call center. They're not sure what they have on the menu. What are you doing, Pizza Hut? You used to be so good. What are you doing with your life, Pizza Hut? I'm gonna get it delivered. Should be fine. We'll go pick up the rest of the food right now. Yeah. It's Cartman. Try to get in the head of Cartman. He's got to order like the most unhealthy thing, right?
How are you?
I am wonderful. How are you? He would probably order the new thing. He would probably order whatever like the new hot popular thing is. Naked chicken chalupa? Is that the new fun exciting thing? That's what he's gonna order. Thank you. You too.
KFC!
1 second.
One eternity later.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. It actually smells like soup. It doesn't even smell bad. It is basically what we're going to use to flavor our ASSBURGERS.
Turn on your heart light, let it shine wherever you go. Let it make a happy glow. there's 10 mediums and 5 medium rares. All right, I'll take these to the flavor enhancer.
Wow!
This is really good, Cartman. Really?
After all these have been through, I strongly doubt that these taste remotely even good. We just fortified them with all kinds of ass. It's really. You know what? This is probably the most edible. I guess they didn't get too assy because they have the wax paper on them. So if you think about it, really, I can't imagine this tastes really different from a regular burger. So, also I had to tape them up because otherwise they're just falling apart. I don't want to have like meaty burger patties in my underpants. Because I know how much people love meaty burger patties in their underpants. Okay. End of the day. You know what? This looks like more like a McDonald's burger now. This looks like an actual fast food burger because it's all smashed. It's clearly no one cared about it, right? So this is a classic ass burger. This was in my pants. It's just meat and ketchup that was in my pants. The meat was not doctored at all. Tastes like a leftover burger. It's nothing special. It's just like a leftover burger. It's not bad. It doesn't taste like it was in someone's butt crack. What's next? These are the ones I really want to know. I really want to know which one is this. The deluxe ass. Deluxe ass has the deluxe ass. It's almost the same as the first one. But the deluxe ass has the doctored up meat. The meat that was in that juicy sauce of god awfulness that was 8 different fast food restaurants food substances. So this is the deluxe ass. Looks just basically the same as the classic ass. Very simple. Deluxe ass, very similar to classic ass, but the infused burger meats. This is a better burger. This is actually a better burger. This is juicier, this is more tender. You don't taste like... Here's the thing, you can't taste every different fast food restaurant. I think it was just that we actually put the meat in some kind of flavored marinade is what makes it moist and juicier. So this is actually a better, absolutely a tastier burger. No doubt about it. It seems ridiculous. It seems absolutely ridiculous that this would actually be better after being in that stew of nonsense. But it's actually a better burger. Okay, that is noticeably better hamburger. Learning new things every day, kids. Gotta do that. Gotta go. I wouldn't recommend doing that. It's very expensive, and just marinate your burgers in some marinade. You don't need it doesn't need to be a stew of nonsense, but the marinade definitely makes a difference. Okay, so this one is the ultimate ass. So this one has the crazy sauce on it, and we sauced it up, baby. We sauced it up. Okay, ultimate ass. Ultimate ass burger. It looks like a fast food burger. Looks like a fast food burger. Let's taste. This part is I don't want to taste the soggy part. I want to taste the good part. So this is the marinade. This is lettuce, tomato, cheese, pickles, the marinated burger, right? The marinated meat. And it is the nonsense concoction of whatever sauces we made plus like Polynesian sauce, McDonald's Big Mac sauce, and a bunch of other stuff. And yeah, okay. And then the stuff from the first two. Anyway, I don't know where I want to eat this. This is really good, actually. This is a really, really good burger. Really good burger. It seems like it would be absolutely god-awful. It really does. It really seems like it'd be absolute. It's actually the most delicious of all the three. It's almost like just a sweeter, tangier version of the Big Mac sauce is what it tastes like. Like, everything goes together pretty well, considering. You wouldn't think that it would, but I don't even taste my ass at all in this burger. I don't taste it at all. This is actually a really, really good burger. I really enjoyed the sweet tanginess of this sauce. It's so stupid. It's so stupid, but it actually came out very nice. Very nicely. This is like a stupid genius masterpiece. ASSBURGERS are actually better burgers. They're not better because of the ass, they're better because of the marinade. And they're better because of all the sauce. But these are actually much more flavor in these than... Not even in the classic ass burger. Not even that, but just like of any of the burgers that I had today, this is the best burger because it combines, like, I guess, the best of all of the worlds. Plus, it's like fresh ingredients, I guess, so. Anyway, that's ASSBURGERS, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you as always in the next one. Next Monday. Every Monday videos. Every Monday videos. So subscribe if you want to check out the videos every single Monday. If you don't want to subscribe, you don't have to. But subscribe if you want to. And I will see you next Monday.
I'm going down to South Park, gonna have myself a time.
Friendly faces everywhere, humble folks without temptation.
Going down to South Park, gonna leave my woes behind.
There's so much action. There's so much action in this one burger. Look, I'm actually eating the nonsense. I'm like, this is even tastier. I want to eat more of this. It's so dumb. It's so dumb, but so good. Last bite of the ASSBURGER. Completely finished. That's how good it was. One of the best things we've made on this channel. I'm not even joking. One of the best things we made on this channel.